And as we await word from these tech giants, I want to bring in our panel. We got Lance Ulanoff, Mashable's editor-at-large, Scott Martin of Kingsview Asset Management, Fox News contributor Dave Attavilla, Hot Hardware editor-in-chief, and Carol Roth, a former investment banker and entrepreneur. I'm going to go to Lance first because you're the tech expert. Why is it that tech stocks, what are we on the verge of? Are we on the verge of some new technological revolution?
Maybe if you think about AI, everybody's trying to get into artificial intelligence. There's
okay, hold on one second. I asked you, but we have Amazon reporting first.
Okay, Microsoft reporting third quarter results. Ashley Webster has those in the newsroom. Ashley.
All right, let's start. Earnings per share coming in at a non-GAAP number of 73 cents. The estimate was 70 cents, so we have a beat on earnings. Revenue, $23.6 billion, right about where it was expected. I want to look at the Azure cloud platform. This is what they call intelligent cloud growth, coming in at $2.18 billion. And LinkedIn, this is the first full quarter that LinkedIn has been a part of Microsoft. They bought it, of course, last year for $26 billion. The revenue from LinkedIn for this quarter, $975 million, which is a little better than the $950 that most analysts have been predicting.
All right, Ashley, thank you for that.
Let's go to Dave from Forbes. Dave, the fact is that they beat on the numbers, but the stock's down about 3%. Why?
You know, I don't really buy into that. I don't understand why the market perhaps isn't reacting accordingly, because what I'm seeing is that Microsoft is firing on all cylinders right now. I think they've been investing in businesses that make sense for the company. I think Azure and the cloud is obviously a big play for them. They're starting to nip at Amazon's heels with AWS. And interestingly, next month, on May 2nd, we have an event coming to New York called Microsoft in Education. We are fully expecting Microsoft to come to the table with a lower cost Surface, mainstream Surface for education, backed up with Office 365 and cloud storage with OneDrive. And I think that's going to give Google Chromebooks in education a run for its money. So a little bit puzzled by
strange.
Well,
we'll see what
loss.
By the way, I'm going to mention one other thing that it has going for it. It has $113 billion in cash overseas, and even though President Trump may not get all of what he wants in his tax changes, he wants to bring that cash back home. They are number two. Of course, Apple's number one, but they're the second richest company in terms of the cash overseas. They could bring that back. That would help them a lot. Melissa.
All right, let's go back to Lori Rothman. She's got more on Amazon. What can you tell us?
So what's interesting to me about Amazon, Melissa, is that you've been you collectively critical of this company for its cash burn, spending so much money on expansion, everything from its data centers to its content. Well, as part of the report here today, Amazon is saying that its free cash increased to upwards of $10 billion. So